Alright, so today we are going out to Freeport Long Island and we're going to go take a look at some seals. We booked this about a few weeks ago and right now it's rainy and windy, but we're going to make the most of it. This is for Captain Lou's fleet out in Freeport. They are open December to April for the seal watching and yeah, we're going to go check it out. Okay, so we made it to Freeport, it's Nautical Mile. This is where you can park. It's Front Street and Ocean Avenue. It's free from Labor Day to May 11th. And it's about 45 minutes from the city and maybe 30 from Suffolk County. And yeah, that's about it. So this is Nautical Mile. In the summertime it's really very busy. It's for like bars and restaurants. Just have a good evening out. Take a look here. We made it on to Captain Lou's 7th boat, and we're here at 12:30. You can board the boat as soon as you come. The tour is from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and they just scratch off your name as soon as you come in, and that's about it. Yeah.
So directly across the street from where you board the boat is actually another parking lot, and it looks like it's just for people who are doing the Captain Lou tour. So if you don't park down the street, you can park here.
Yeah, there's a sign there. If you maybe have to zoom in. There's a sign there, Saturday and Sunday. Seal watching.
So this is the top deck of the boat. There are 2 different levels. The lower level is completely enclosed. The top deck is open to the elements, but there's a roof, so we're sheltered from the rain, and the top deck holds a maximum of 85 people. We're told this is going to be a full one, so should be exciting. And the rain is finally starting to let up, so might be a good time.
Okay, so take a look at the parking lot. It's a full parking lot, and apparently there's going to be a huge, full boat. And so, considering the weather, it's pretty popular for this time of year. And it's a very family-friendly event. We've seen a lot of kids downstairs in the closed section, and it's $30. So that is how much we paid. But I think there's also a Groupon available. And half the proceeds go to the local environment, to protect the local environment, and Riverhead Foundation for marine life. So that is another kind of perk. So that's about it.
So typically the seals will actually be out on the land and you'll be able to see them sunbathing, kind of like this. Unfortunately, when the weather is crappy like it was on this day, rain and cold and windy, the seals just don't come out on land, or if they do come out on land, they're only there for a short amount of time. Unfortunately, when we got there on the boat, they were already in the water, and it is difficult to capture good video of the seals swimming, the boat moving, and all those factors. It is a bit choppy. But this is sort of what the experience is like. We do recommend the experience if you're visiting New York and you can get out to Freeport, or if you live in Long Island, you're a native Long Islander and you're familiar with Nautical Mile, check out Freeport, check out Captain Lou. They also have dolphin tours and whale tours at the appropriate season. You can check their website. We'll put a link in the description. We were not paid to do this. We attended this tour like every other paying customer, so we just wanted to share it with you and share the experience. Anyway, that will wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and look out for some more videos from New York.